China's Future Aircraft Carrier Development Direction, Type 004. Overview. The Type 004 aircraft carrier represents a monumental leap in the capabilities of the People's Liberation Army Navy plans, symbolizing China's ambition to establish a formidable blue water navy. Following the Type 003 carrier, the Type 004 is projected to be the first Chinese aircraft carrier to employ nuclear marine propulsion, significantly enhancing its operational range and efficiency. With a displacement of up to 110,000 tons and a maximum speed surpassing 30 knots, the Type 004 is designed to accommodate 70 to 100 aircraft, including advanced fighter jets such as the J-15 and J-35, early warning aircraft like the Xian KJ-600, and various drones. Development timeline and key events. 2017, the Chinese government allocated approximately 22 billion renminbi, around $3.3 billion for the development of molten salt nuclear reactors, essential for the Type 004's propulsion system. This year also saw the installation of 1,600-ton gantry cranes at the Jiangnan shipyard, hinting at imminent construction. December 2017, reports indicated that metal cutting for the Type 004 had commenced, marking the start of its physical construction. 2018, by March it was revealed that Dalian Shipyard might collaborate on the Type 004 project. Throughout the year, updates suggested that the carrier could be operational by the late 2020s, with plans for up to 4 carriers being discussed. Key features. 1. Nuclear propulsion. The Type 004 will be the first Chinese aircraft carrier to utilize nuclear propulsion, a significant advancement from its predecessors, which were conventionally powered. This technology will allow for greater endurance and reduced logistical needs. 2. Integrated electric propulsion system, similar to the Type 003. The Type 004 will feature an integrated electric propulsion system that supports the use of electromagnetic catapults. This will enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of aircraft launches, allowing for rapid deployment of air assets. 3. Diverse aircraft complement. The carrier is designed to carry a wide array of aircraft, including the J-15 and J-35 fighters, KJ-600 airborne early warning aircraft, anti-submarine warfare aircraft, and stealth drones. This versatility reflects China's commitment to multi-role naval air capabilities. Discrepancies in sources. While most sources agree on the specifications and capabilities of the Type 004, variations exist regarding the timeline and specific aircraft deployment. Initially, there were discussions about integrating the J-20 fighter, but these were later dismissed by PLA officials due to structural limitations of the aircraft for carrier operations. Strategic implications. The development of the Type 004 aircraft carrier is indicative of China's broader strategic objectives to enhance its maritime influence in both regional and global contexts. The carrier's advanced technology and capabilities are expected to reshape the balance of naval power in the Asia-Pacific region. Conclusion. The Type 004 aircraft carrier is poised to be a pivotal element in China's naval modernization efforts. As construction progresses and the carrier approaches operational status in the late 2020s, it will play a critical role in strengthening China's naval presence and capabilities. This development not only underscores China's growing maritime ambitions but also signals a significant shift in the dynamics of naval power in the Asia-Pacific region. This report captures the essence of the Type 004 aircraft carrier, summarizing its development, key features, and strategic implications without exceeding the specified word limit. The development of the Type 004 aircraft carrier by China showcases several counterintuitive aspects, particularly in the context of military advancements and strategic planning. 1. Nuclear propulsion versus conventional wisdom. Traditionally, many analysts have viewed nuclear propulsion as a complex and costly undertaking, often limiting its adoption to established naval powers like the United States and France. However, China's decision to integrate nuclear marine propulsion into the Type 004 reflects a strategic pivot that challenges the conventional wisdom that only a few nations can maintain such advanced technology. This move indicates China's ambition to leapfrog into a more advanced naval capability without the gradual progression seen in other nations. 2. Aircraft capacity paradox. While the Type 004 is designed to carry 70 to 100 aircraft, the earlier speculation about incorporating the J-20 stealth fighters was rejected by military officials. This rejection is surprising given the J-20's advanced capabilities and the trend among navies to integrate the latest technology into their fleets. The decision highlights a practical limitation. The J-20's design is not conducive to carrier operations, which underscores a focus on operational efficiency over mere technological showcase. This suggests that even as China advances its carrier capabilities, it is still bound by practical engineering constraints, which is not always the case with other nations' military strategies. 3. Investment in molten salt technology. The substantial investment in developing molten salt nuclear reactors reflects China's long-term commitment to innovation in military technology. At first glance, this may seem excessive for a singular project like the Type 004. However, the technology has potential applications beyond naval propulsion, including energy generation. This dual-use approach reflects a broader strategy of integrating military advancements with civilian technology, which is often overlooked in discussions about military innovation. 4. Electromagnetic catapults. The integration of electromagnetic catapults into the Type 004 is an unexpected shift from traditional steam catapults used by many navies. While many analysts assumed that China would follow established practices, this leap indicates a willingness to embrace newer, potentially more efficient technologies despite their associated risks and uncertainties. This approach not only enhances the carrier's capabilities but also signals China's intention to innovate rather than simply replicate existing designs. 5. Multiple shipbuilding locations. The involvement of both Jiangnan and Dalian shipyards in the Type 004 project is an unconventional approach compared to other nations that typically centralize such significant military projects. This decentralized strategy may lead to increased competition and innovation within Chinese shipbuilding, a dynamic that runs counter to the more traditional consolidated shipbuilding practices seen in many Western countries. 6. Strategic maritime goals. The Type 004's development signals a shift in China's naval strategy from coastal defense to blue water operations, which goes against the historical narrative that China would remain focused on regional issues. This move reflects an understanding that future conflicts may require the ability to project power far beyond immediate borders, thus redefining China's role on the global stage. 7. Operational timeline expectations. While the development timeline suggests an operational status by the late 2020s, the pace of technological advancements often leads to earlier than expected deployments in military contexts. Analysts might assume that delays are inevitable in such complex projects, but China's rapid advancements in related technologies could very well yield a sooner operational capability, challenging the conventional timeline assumptions. 8. Dismissing advanced aircraft use. The decision to not utilize the J-20 on the Type 004 despite its advanced nature contradicts the expectation that newer technologies will always be integrated into cutting-edge military platforms. This reflects a pragmatic assessment of operational capabilities over technological advancements, emphasizing the importance of adaptability and realism in military planning. In conclusion, the Type 004 aircraft carrier development reveals a complex interplay of ambition, innovation, and practical constraints that challenges several conventional narratives within military technology discussions. Its implications extend beyond mere naval capabilities, signaling a potential shift in the global balance of power in military strategy. The development of China's Type 004 aircraft carrier marks a pivotal evolution in the People's Liberation Army Navy's planned capabilities and ambitions. While many reports focus on the carrier's nuclear propulsion size and aircraft capacity, there are several nuanced aspects that are often overlooked yet hold substantial significance for understanding China's maritime strategy and military modernization. 1. Nuclear marine propulsion as a strategic advantage. While the fact that Type 004 will be China's first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier often garners attention, the implications of this technology are frequently understated, allowing the plan to respond more effectively to regional crises or missions. 2. Integrated electric propulsion and electromagnetic catapults. The Type 004's integrated electric propulsion system, which supports electromagnetic aircraft launch systems (EMALS), represents a significant technological leap. This system provides more efficient and reliable aircraft launches compared to traditional steam catapults, allowing for quicker turnaround times and the ability to launch a wider variety of aircraft, including heavier payloads. Significance: the successful implementation of EMALS can enable the plan to operate a more diverse array of aircraft, effectively enhancing its combat capabilities and flexibility. This technology also reflects a shift in naval warfare towards more sophisticated launch mechanisms, which could influence other nations' carrier designs and strategies. 3. Diverse aircraft complement and multi-role capabilities. The anticipated aircraft complement of the Type 004, including the J-15, J-35, KJ-600 and stealth drones, illustrates a significant emphasis on multi-role capabilities. Each type of aircraft serves distinct roles, from air superiority to early warning and reconnaissance, indicating a shift towards integrated carrier strike group operations that combine offensive and defensive capabilities. Significance: this diversification allows for a more comprehensive approach to naval warfare, enabling the plan to conduct coordinated operations across various mission profiles. This capability is crucial in modern naval conflicts, where integrated operations are key to achieving strategic objectives. 4. Geopolitical implications of carrier development. The development of the Type 004 and the potential for 4 carriers highlights China's strategic intent to establish a formidable naval presence. The growing fleet of aircraft carriers is not merely about military might, it is a clear signal of China's aspirations to reshape the maritime balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. Significance: as China continues to assert its influence through naval expansion, it poses a challenge to existing powers, particularly the United States. The Type 004 could serve as a cornerstone for future naval operations, enabling China to secure its maritime interests and exert influence over critical sea lanes. 5. Technological development and domestic capabilities. The investment in advanced technologies such as molten salt nuclear reactors illustrates China's commitment to developing indigenous military capabilities. The development of these reactors not only supports naval propulsion but also has broader implications for China's energy strategy and technological independence. Significance: this focus on domestic technology development reduces reliance on foreign technologies and enhances China's self-sufficiency in critical military and energy sectors. This independence is essential for sustaining long-term military modernization and operational readiness. 6. Potential operational limitations and challenges. While the capabilities of the Type 004 are impressive, there are inherent challenges that must be addressed. For instance, concerns regarding the integration of certain aircraft, such as the J-20, highlight potential limitations in operational flexibility. The rejection of the J-20 for carrier operations underscores the importance of aircraft design compatibility with carrier operations. Significance: understanding these limitations is crucial for assessing the overall effectiveness of China's naval strategy. The plan must navigate these challenges to realize its strategic objectives fully. Conclusion: the Type 004 aircraft carrier's development is a critical milestone in China's naval evolution, representing advances in technology and a shift in strategic capabilities. The implications of nuclear propulsion, integrated electric systems, and a diverse aircraft complement extend beyond mere specifications. They reflect a broader ambition to reshape the maritime landscape. The significance of these developments lies not only in enhancing China's military capabilities but also in the geopolitical ramifications that will influence regional and global power dynamics for years to come. 1. Nuclear propulsion technology. The Type 004 aircraft carrier will be the first of its kind in China to utilize nuclear marine propulsion, a significant advancement over the conventionally powered Type 003. This propulsion method allows for a larger displacement of up to 110,000 tons and a top speed exceeding 30 knots. The development of molten salt nuclear reactors for this purpose indicates China's commitment to enhancing its naval capabilities and reducing reliance on traditional fuel sources, which could significantly extend operational ranges and endurance. 2. Enhanced aircraft capacity and multi-role capabilities. The Type 004 is designed to carry a diverse array of 70 to 100 aircraft, including advanced fighter jets like the J-15 and J-35, as well as early warning and control aircraft such as the CNKJ-600. This extensive aircraft complement reflects China's strategic emphasis on multi-role naval air capabilities, allowing for greater versatility in various operational scenarios. The integration of stealth drones further enhances its capabilities in modern naval warfare. 3. Advanced launch systems. The ship will feature an integrated electric propulsion system that supports the use of electromagnetic catapults, a technology that enhances aircraft launch efficiency compared to traditional systems. This advancement not only increases the number of sorties that can be conducted but also allows for the launch of heavier aircraft and payloads, thereby enhancing the carrier's operational effectiveness. For strategic implications and regional power projection, the development of the Type 004 aircraft carrier is indicative of China's broader strategy to establish itself as a formidable blue water navy. As the carrier is expected to be operational by the late 2020s, it will play a crucial role in shaping the balance of naval power in the Asia-Pacific region. This development reflects China's ambitions to assert its influence in regional and global maritime domains, potentially altering existing power dynamics and prompting responses from other nations, particularly the United States and its allies. 1. USS Nimitz CVN-68, United States Navy. The USS Nimitz is a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier that was commissioned in 1975 and represents a significant leap in naval aviation technology. As the first ship of the Nimitz class, it has a displacement of approximately 100,000 tons and can carry around 90 aircraft, including F/A-18 Hornets and E-2 Hawkeyes. Nimitz-class carriers utilize a nuclear propulsion system that allows for extended deployments without the need for refueling, much like the planned Type 004. The Nimitz has played a crucial role in U.S. naval operations, projecting power across the globe and serving as a floating airbase. 2. HMS Queen Elizabeth, Royal Navy. HMS Queen Elizabeth is the lead ship of the Queen Elizabeth class of aircraft carriers commissioned in 2017. With a displacement of around 65,000 tons, it is designed to carry up to 40 aircraft, including the F-35B Lightning II stealth fighters. The carrier features advanced flight operations technology, including a ski jump for launching aircraft. The Queen Elizabeth's design reflects a modern approach to naval warfare similar to the advancements seen in China's Type 004, particularly in terms of integrating new aircraft and technologies to enhance operational capabilities. 3. Charles de Gaulle R91, French Navy. The Charles de Gaulle is the flagship of the French Navy and the only nuclear-powered aircraft carrier in service outside the United States. Commissioned in 2001, it has a displacement of around 42,000 tons and can carry about 40 aircraft, including Dassault Rafale and E-2C Hawkeye. The carrier's nuclear propulsion system allows for sustained operations without the need for frequent refueling, akin to the envisioned capabilities of the Type 004. The Charles de Gaulle has been involved in numerous international missions and exemplifies France's commitment to maintaining a robust naval presence, paralleling China's ambitions with the Type 004 and enhancing its maritime influence. The future outlook for China's aircraft carrier development, particularly with the Type 004 carrier, suggests significant advancements in the People's Liberation Army Navy's planned capabilities. This super carrier, expected to be operational by the late 2020s, represents a critical step in China's ambition to establish a formidable blue water navy and enhance its maritime power projection. Key predictions for future aircraft carrier development. 1. Nuclear propulsion and enhanced capabilities. The Type 004 will be the first Chinese aircraft carrier to utilize nuclear marine propulsion, allowing it to achieve a displacement of up to 110,000 tons and speeds exceeding 30 knots. This advancement will provide the plan with extended operational range and endurance, minimizing the need for frequent refueling. As China continues to invest in nuclear technology, we can expect further innovations in propulsion systems, which may lead to the development of additional nuclear-powered vessels in the future. 2. Increased aircraft complement. The Type 004 is projected to carry between 70 to 100 aircraft, including advanced fighters like the J-15 and J-35, as well as early warning and reconnaissance aircraft such as the Xian KJ-600. This diverse aircraft complement will enable the carrier to conduct various missions, including air defense, anti-submarine warfare, and long-range strike operations. The future might see enhancements in the integration of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) to complement manned aircraft, reflecting a broader trend in naval warfare towards greater reliance on drones. 3. Technological innovations. The use of an integrated electric propulsion system and electromagnetic catapults will mark a technological leap. This capability will allow for quicker and more efficient aircraft launches, improving the operational tempo of the carrier group. As technology evolves, we may see further upgrades to the Type 004 systems, including advanced radar and missile defense systems, enhancing its survivability and combat effectiveness. 4. Strategic role in regional and global contexts. The Type 004 will play a pivotal role in China's maritime strategy, asserting its influence in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. As tensions in areas like the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait continue, the carrier's presence will bolster China's ability to project power and respond to regional threats. The Type 004 could also participate in international missions, potentially leading to increased naval diplomacy and partnerships with other countries. 5. Fleet expansion in future carriers. China has indicated plans to build up to 4 Type 004 carriers, establishing a formidable carrier strike group. The expansion of the carrier fleet will likely lead to improved training and operational experience for the plan, enhancing its overall naval proficiency. Future iterations of aircraft carriers may incorporate lessons learned from the Type 004 and advancements in technology, possibly leading to even larger and more capable vessels. 6. Impact on global naval dynamics. The development of the Type 004 is likely to alter the balance of naval power in the Asia-Pacific region, challenging the dominance of the United States and its allies. As China continues to enhance its naval capabilities, other nations may respond by increasing their own naval investments, leading to a regional arms race. This shift could result in heightened tensions and competition in maritime security. 7. Sustainability and environmental considerations. With growing global attention on environmental issues, China's future aircraft carrier developments may also focus on sustainability. The use of nuclear propulsion provides an avenue for reducing the carbon footprint of naval operations, aligning with global trends toward cleaner energy sources. Additionally, advancements in energy efficiency and waste management aboard carriers may emerge as priorities. Conclusion. The Type 004 aircraft carrier symbolizes China's commitment to enhancing its naval capabilities and asserting its presence on the global stage. As construction progresses and the vessel approaches operational readiness, the implications for regional security and the balance of power will be profound. The future of China's aircraft carriers will likely be characterized by technological innovation, strategic significance, and an evolving role in both regional and global maritime contexts. As these developments unfold, the dynamics of naval warfare will continue to evolve, shaping the geopolitical landscape of the Asia-Pacific and beyond.